Today's shenanigans begin on Mardi Gras. Not doing a parade, not doing any of the other typical festivities, but here at the Mandalay Wildlife Refuge, we're going to go for a short hike. What's going on, everyone? We are here. We all decided to get in the car, go for a short drive here to the Wildlife Refuge. We're going to go see some whatever we see. Been talking about doing this for a while, and we're finally going to make it. Let the shenanigans begin. They do let you know that these premises are under video surveillance, so you are being watched. But some of the things you can see here. Some neo-tropical migrant songbirds. They do let you know if you're watching the wildlife to stop, drop, and roll. No, stop, look, and listen to them. There are things you can do if you're here during the correct time of year. You can see some of the monarch butterflies, some of the other wildlife that's here. And just so you know, the city of Houma is a bird sanctuary. The Mandalay National Wildlife Refuge Nature Trail. Apparently this is just one small little area of a much larger trail. You are here, takes you all up through there. Or if they all connect, you got Baton Rouge up this direction. That's interesting. So, a lot of bugs already, so this should be interesting. I've entered through the gate into the no hunting zone, so do not be hunting here. And walking through, enjoying some wildlife. A lot of palm trees. I'm surprised by the palm trees. I don't know why. It's a California thing.
Look at the water.
Palm trees.
Look,
Where's that?
The water right
Oh,
there.
yeah, there's water right there. Let's see. There's some murky water where Swamp Thing lives. Watch out for these dirt piles. They're ant piles. Don't step on one of those. They'll eat your leg alive. Straight down to the bone. Had some questions on this stuff. Wondering if this is wild berries. If this is some sort of creeper. It is thorny. So I'm thinking it's berries. But it's taken over this entire area right here. Little archway right there. Whichever gator lives there, they're living their life. They have an archway. Continuing to walk down the short trail, there's a bridge right here. And if you've gotten tired from the couple hundred yards we've walked, there's a bench for you to sit and just enjoy nature. Here we go. Here's all kind of things. There's some random wildlife and some greenery in the wetlands next to this mound. On the bridge now, enjoying the wildlife. Jerry was happy to be here. No public access over there into the wetlands. All right, came across another sign telling you all the things that are living in the water right here. You got a blue flag, possibly a river otter, the snapping turtle, nutria with their bright orange teeth, some catfish, and a white crappie. Just like birds do, white crappie. Hey, as we're walking through here, I don't think we're going to come across any ROUSs. Rodents of unusual size.
Princess Bride reference, if you didn't know.
Who doesn't know that?
You don't know, some people are not educated.
You gotta know that. It's so scary. This is probably where the rougarou lives. That is the rougarou an ROUS? Or is that a dog type thing? Probably more dog, more wolf-like, or as some people say, woof. Came across a log here. All this fungus growing on it. Would not recommend eating those types of mushrooms or fungus. But maybe they're good. A couple of signs here. This one lets you know that this tree is an eastern red cedar. So that is this tree right here. Now you can identify it every time you see trees exactly like this, an eastern red cedar. I will likely forget the minute I leave, but I have a bad memory. Here's the honey locust. Giant anthill.
Probably all down here.
Yeah, there are probably ants all over. You could be standing in a pile of ants that just have not built up their property the same way as these
down
ants.
in the ground, like it could be. I saw this one video where they poured like liquid into an anthill, and they dug it up, and it was like everywhere.
Yeah, no, they go a lot further than you think. Came across another crickety old wooden bridge. It's actually not, it's crickety.
It's like grumpy.
Or old.
It feels hollow.
But it is wooden, so I was partly right, I guess. Came across what looks like a mound of dirt. It's really a root ball of a whole tree that fell over.
What is that?
There's some weird clicking sounds coming from the water.
Leave a comment below if you know what it is.
They've also stopped.
Was it a nutria?
Not quite sure what it was. Leave a comment below.
See it.
It's another birdhouse. So if you didn't get the bird for rent sign at the other places a week or two ago, got another vacancy possibly for some birds with a little squirrel protector down there.
Where's the
So
squirrel?
the squirrels can't get up there.
Oh.
Is anybody home? Hello? Maybe that's where Rabbit lives and Winnie the Pooh gets stuck in there. Probably not. Look, it's a blueberry in the wild. It's a wild blueberry. Found some more over here. Thinking those aren't blackberries or blueberries. I realized I called them blueberries a little bit ago. No. Wonder what kind of berries those are. Gonna have to check those out. Cover your knees, Cypress. What are you, a little floozy? Have a suspicion these are wild strawberries.
Can you eat wild strawberries?
Probably. They're strawberries.
But they're wild.
They're wild. They just have crazy hair. That's what makes them wild.
They're eating?
These are strawberries.
Here's one of those stinging caterpillars right there. Those things will
Sting.
irritate the rest of your week.
Do you have to
Like
go
to
to
hang
the
it.
doctor for it?
They like to hang out underneath these trees. Right here. And then they'll rain down on you. There's a body of water back there. You can hear the frogs.
Well, those are going to be big frogs too, not the little tiny ones like at home.
Be careful. Do not feed or entice the alligators. But you may come across some. Crossing this bridge right here, it takes you right out to a platform on the water. Look, there's a swamp monster.
Where is it?
Where is it? Oh, there is something.
It's just a can. Alright, and that's just gonna about do it for today. A shorter video. It was definitely not a typical Mardi Gras, but sometimes it's good to just get away from all the hubbub and the shenanigans around the city. Go see some wildlife like this bird we saw on our walk back. And just calm and relax, refocus your mind a little bit, and getting back to a normal routine. With that, until the next video, take care. Bye, bird.